Are we on?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey everybody, I got Game King 760 with me here. Say hi.
Yo, what up?
Okay, so I'm going to be reviewing on the 2011 Star Wars Battle Pack with the 2 Bomb Squad Troopers, as you can see, the ARF Trooper, and this just randomly customized clone right there. Anyways, I know Michael MGF already did a review on this, yada yada yada, so I'm just gonna sell one thing that he didn't do. This visor thing isn't right here anymore, instead of like a regular clone. And, plus, they've got lead printing now. I'm very surprised. I put a backpack on this guy, and plus, this guy's got really good printing. Anyways, that's for that guy. He's got head printing too, as you can see. I know this camera's pretty bad, but you know, it's the only thing I got right now. So anyways, this is the ARF Trooper, top printing. Wait, let me take this off for you. See? The whole thing. Printed visor, not like aerial lights, as you can see. Anyways, it's already colored in, and I put a clone gunner body on this. That's not how it comes, as you can see right there. No. Okay, so anyways, and plus it comes with a bomb squad trooper. You, see, it's got the designs right there on the front and back, but it comes with only orange arms, no arm printing. Kind of sucks. I was hoping that they would add that too. And this part kind of sucks too. It's an orange helmet with white printing instead of just you know, like actually painting it white. You know, that would be better. See how it's clear right there. Anyways, this is the speeder. Now, Game King 700, you can review on this.
Thank you. And yeah, so this is the speeder. Here's some blasters right here. You can put a trooper in here. And like, let them take the controls, all that stuff.
Yeah, so it's pretty much a good set.
Yeah.
So that's the review, and thanks. Bye!